Hello, thank you for joining me. Welcome to Language Broker English Lesson 4. Today we talk about articles for singular and plural nouns. Definite articles identify specific nouns. Indefinite articles identify general nouns. To identify a specific noun, use the word the. To identify a general noun, use the word a or an. Let's start with the to identify specific, singular, and plural nouns. The has two sounds. The, 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 or the, the, the. Let's look at examples. The baby, the baby, the baby, the babies, the babies, the babies, the girl, the girl, the girl, the girls, the girls, the girls, the cat, the cat, the cat, the cats, the cats, the cats, the apple, the apple, the apple, or the apple, the apple, the apple, the apples, the apples, the apples, or the apples, the apples, the apples, the tree, the tree, the tree, the trees, the trees, the trees. Now let's use a or an to identify general singular nouns. A has two sounds. A, 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 or a, a, a. Use a before a noun starting with a consonant. A baby, a baby, a baby. Do not use a for plural nouns. Just use the plural noun. Babies, babies, babies. Or use the definite article. The babies, the babies. the babies. A girl, a girl, a girl, or a girl, a girl, a girl. A book, a book, a book, or a book, a book, a book. A pizza, a pizza, a pizza. A tree, a tree, a tree. A house, a house, a house. A store, a store, a store, or a store, a store, a store. A lion, a lion, a lion. A duck, a duck, a duck. How do you use an? Use an before a noun starting with a vowel. For example, an apple, an apple, an apple. Do not use an for plural nouns. Just use the plural word. Apples, apples, apples. Or use the apples, the apples, the apples. An egg, an egg, an egg. An idea, an idea, an idea. An orange, an orange, an orange. An umbrella, an umbrella, an umbrella. Fantastic! You learned a lot today. Please practice, practice, practice. That is all for today. Click like, click subscribe. Go to the next lesson. Bye.